If you want to cast your screen from Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra to another device, then in that case you need to go to the settings. In the settings, find and go to connected devices and then choose Smart View. Now in this menu you should be able to detect all compatible devices on which you can mirror your screen and show it on that device, from your phone of course. And if you wish to do that the other way around, then you can choose other device to phone. So by doing so, you can cast the screen from another device to your S25 Ultra. So over here, if you choose to cast from the S25 Ultra to another device, then here you will need to wait for your compatible device to pop up. Then you should be able to select it and you should be good to go. Ideally, you also want to use the same network in order to avoid some connection issues. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye!